Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make homemade sour cream. Yeah, man,
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So forward, let me show you what going. Gonna go in with half cup of 2% milk. I'm gonna add the juice of 1 lemon. Just set your fingers like this and you roll. Just to get the pulps broken and get the maximum amount of juice. That I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of pure white vinegar. So what we want to do now, just get a whisk. Just gonna mix this to get it nice and incorporated. Alright, so now that we have that mix, next thing you want to do, just gonna go in with half cup of the whipping cream. So as you can see here, it's very watery. Watch as I mix this and it changes texture. Alright, look how drastically it has changed. I'm gonna grab for that same spoon. Look at that, how thick it has gotten. So that's the whipping cream in its activation stage, right? Give that a taste. Nice and sour. Alright, what you want to do now, gonna add that to a bottle. So you can get one of these that's tightly fitted, or whichever bottle you can find once it's sealed off, right? Just gonna pour that right in our bottle. So I have here a damp piece of paper towel. I'm just gonna go over the top with that. Get the plastic wrap, find the edges like that, and you just stretch it. So when you stretch it now, what that does is to just get it thicker so it doesn't burst, right? Can be used to tie anything. That's a DIY. Just put that over the rim. So a nice little bowl. Why I did this is we need something that won't allow any fruit flies or anything to get in it while I leave it out, as well as we need air to circulate in the jar and get that cream in its sour stage, right? Just gonna leave this out for overnight or 24 hours minimum. This will help the citrus to activate within the cream, which will eventually make the cream become sour. Do not put this in the fridge, leave it out overnight, right? And as you can see, I can do this and it's not spilling, right? Because I already mixed it to get it thick. Now I have here a similar jar that I did a day in advance just to show you what it should look like after 24 hours or overnight. So this is what you're gonna see. So I have all the lemon juice at the bottom right there and the vinegar. That is perfectly fine. Just gonna put this on our counter. The rest, open that up. Look how thick that is. Gonna pour that out. See, starting to look like sour cream. Get a spoon, hold that right down. Look at that. Look how thick that is. And this is what you want to see. It's gonna get the whisk to incorporate all that lemon juice and vinegar. There you have it. Very own sour cream. Nice and thick. Gonna run a comparison with the store brand. This is the store brand, settled just the same. So it's in the fridge for over a week, so you know it's nicely set, nice and smooth, drops like jello. Then for our brand, which has only been in the fridge for a day, so it drops like jello, just the same. Hit that like button if you like what you're seeing here, and let us know what are your thoughts on the homemade sour cream. Are you moving more to homemade stuff so that you know what ingredients go in your food that you're putting in your temple? Comment below and let us know if you like these simple homemade recipes that you always go to the store to buy that you never thought you could have made in your very own kitchen. So there you have it, how to prepare your homemade sour cream here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, and have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you, so that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.